Ever wondered how to detox your body and get beautiful skin naturally? Today we're diving deep into the topic of detoxification and skin health. It's a well-known fact that what we consume directly impacts our overall health, and that includes our skin too. A balanced, nutrient-rich diet not only helps in flushing out toxins from our body but also paves the way for a radiant and youthful complexion. Now, what if we told you that there's a simple, delicious way to detox and nourish your skin at the same time? That's right. We're talking about the humble yet powerful combination of carrot and orange juice. This dynamic duo is packed with nutrients that can kickstart your detox journey and give your skin a healthy glow. But we won't spill all the beans just yet. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of making a refreshing and beneficial carrot and orange juice. So, what do you need to make this amazing juice and why is it so beneficial? First up, we have carrots. These crunchy powerhouses are more than just a tasty vegetable. They are rich in beta-carotene, a compound our bodies convert into vitamin A, which is essential for good vision, immune function, and skin health. Furthermore, carrots are an excellent source of dietary fiber, helping with digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness. Next, we bring in the oranges. These vibrant fruits are packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that boosts your immune system, protects your cells from damage, and plays a crucial role in the production of collagen, keeping your skin firm and youthful. And for an optional kick, consider adding some ginger. This spicy root has potent anti-inflammatory properties which can help soothe digestive discomfort and even reduce the appearance of skin inflammation. Now that you know why this juice is so good for you, we'll show you how to make it. Ready to start juicing? Here's how. First things first, let's get our ingredients in order. For this recipe, you'll need 5 fresh carrots and 2 ripe oranges. Remember, the fresher the produce, the better the juice. Begin by thoroughly washing your carrots and oranges. It's important to wash your fruits and veggies to remove any dirt or pesticides. If you can, opt for organic produce to minimize chemical exposure. Once your ingredients are clean, it's time to prepare them for juicing. Trim the ends off the carrots and peel the oranges, making sure to remove any seeds. Now that everything's prepped, we're ready to juice. If you're using a juicer, simply feed the carrots and oranges through the chute. If you're using a blender, chop your ingredients into smaller pieces before blending. You may need to add a splash of water to help the blending process. Once you've got your juice, it's time to strain it. This step is optional, but it helps to remove any pulp and create a smoother drink. Just pour your juice through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a glass or jug. Finally, give your juice a good stir and it's ready to serve. You can enjoy it as is, or chill it in the fridge for a refreshing treat. And there you have it, your detoxifying and skin-boosting carrot and orange juice. In just a few minutes, you have prepared a nutritious juice that will help detox your body and give your skin a beautiful glow. With the combined power of carrots and oranges, this juice packs a punch of vital nutrients. It's a simple yet significant step towards better health and radiant skin. Remember, incorporating such healthy habits into your daily routine can make a world of difference. Enjoy this healthy juice and see the difference it makes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, stay beautiful.